Hello guys, welcome again to another episode in Pinoy in Australia guys. So today guys, I'm going to replace this sway bar D-Boost guys. So this one guys, as you can see guys, let me put see this one guys. See the rubber guys, it's about to come up guys, this one. And look at the gap between the sway bar and the D-Boost. So this one making a knocking sound guys. So if you're following my video guys, a month ago I replaced that lower control arm because that is cracked. This is brand new guys. This bushing here is cracked guys before, so it's very terrible guys. Every time it hit a bump guys, it's I can feel the knocking on the floor of my car. So after replacing the control arm, the knocking sound maybe 90% disappear. There's a little bit 10%. This one guys is the one that causing the knocking sound guys. But this one is not as bad as the control arm, because control arm every time it hit a bump, it knocks the flooring guys. So that's really worse and it's very scary guys. And right now I'm going to finally fix I think this is the remaining reason why I'm hearing knocking sound guys. But the knocking sound is not as bad as before guys. This one is just a little bit not very noisy guys, but you can feel the knocking guys. So every time this one plays, it moves, it creates a knock. As you can see, the rubber is already popping out from the cup guys. So maybe it's hitting the bar is hitting on the metal cup guys. So this Nissan X-Trail is 20 years old guys. So there's so many parts that I had replaced on this one, and I think I'm about to replace also this front shock absorber guys. So watch up for that video guys, because this one guys, when I hit a bump guys, the vehicle is like jumping on the right guys. So the right hand side shock absorber, it's much weaker compared to the left hand side shock absorber. So when it hit a big bump, it jumps on the, it's like it's jumping on the right hand side. So this is the reason why I'm experiencing that kind of problem guys. So I'm trying to find out how much is the cost of this front shock absorber. So as you can see guys, there is no really oil leak coming from the shock. There's no oil leaks guys, it's dry. But what I've experienced guys is this right hand side is weak guys. So I experienced this kind of problem guys in a motorcycle. Every time that I hit I bump, it's like the right hand side is dropping more compared to the left hand side. That's what I'm experiencing on this one guys. Every time I hit a bump, the right hand side drop more compared to the left hand side. So that's why it's like it's jumping on the right hand side guys. So this one is very simple guys. You just need to remove those two 10mm bolt guys. See those two bolts here. I removed both sides guys, so to remove the tension, and you need to remove also the tension on the control arm, so there will be no resistance guys. So I'm not gonna show you the procedure of how to repair guys. It's just very simple guys. 4 bolts, 2 on the front, 2 on the right hand side, 2 on the left hand side. Then once you remove the bolts, all you need to do is to raise this sway bar, brush it up, remove the cap, remove the rubber bushing, install the new bushing, then put the cap, put the bolt, and torque it to 50 to 70 Newton meter, guys. 50 to 70 Newton meter, guys. So I'm not gonna make this one long, guys. So I will not show you how to do it, guys, because my intention on this video, guys, is to show you that the control arm, the sway bar bush also creating a knocking sound. Okay, guys, see you in the next video. Bye.
Eh, ayaw mo naman kasi isama ako sa mga lakad mo.
Paano pa kaya kita isasama? Ito ay gusto mong tulungan ako. May iuutos ka ba sa isa si...
Nakakainis yan. Dagdag pa yung dalawang ugok na si Ramos at si De La Cruz. Ang sarap pagpapatukan.
Sabi ba po ka mo? Sabi mo, ay, pasensya ka rin.
Loko. Nakakala ko, seryoso ka lang. Eh, marunong ka rin pala mag-joke.
Eh, required naman kasi katagahan sa trabaho natin ang pagiging seryoso. Pero kapag kailangan sa trabaho, eh, pwede mo magbiro. Nakakatanda ka lang sobot sa puso. Mabuti na lang, sa mga sumunod na araw, naging abay ang kwarto dahil sa mga pinapagawa ng ito. Kaya wala na naging sagabal sa akin na isang gabi, nagpasako sa class ni Colonel Villaga. Malakas ang kutob ko, may makukuha akong impormasyon at ebidensya tungkol sa asinyan ko. Sakto makapagpasana sa sakot niya, hindi niya sa di kalahuan.
Sino lang dyan? Pakita ka sa akin. Isip na nila yung baka. Ano ba? Sa magtubang para yung iba. Papunta na po ako.
This is our new Saber Lipos, guys, and this is the old one. That's ready, totally worn, guys. Okay.
Bahagya akong sumilip sa bintana. Nakita ko sa naglakad, papunta sa malaking bakuran. At sa loob, may isa pang sasakyan nakaparada. Kulay itim at tinted ang mga bintana. At katapos, bumukas ang pinto ng mansyon at lumabas ang isang matandang lalaki na may elegante pero malamig na aura.
Colonel Villaga. Don Gregorio. Kasi po.
Nang marinig ko ang pangalan yon, parang may malamig na hangin na dumaan sa likod ko. Don Gregorio Araneta, isa sa pinakamayamang negosyante sa buong probinsya at isa rin sa pinakakilalang filantropo sa bayan. Mabilis na handa ang cellphone ko para mag-record. Kailangan ko ng ebidensya at alam ko sa ito ang pinakamaiba. Grabe sa inyo.
Naroon na naman ang problema. Kumusta? Kontrolado pa rin naman po namin ang sitwasyon. Huwag po kayo mag-alala. Mabuti naman po ka na. Ano po naman kayo kung nag-alala? Kilala mo, pagulya. Alam mo yun. Hindi mo po gusto yung makita kung gano'n. Huwag po kayo mag-alala. Don Gregorio, wala namang mabuti pa sa mga kaso. Siguraduhin mo yan, ha? Nakawa ko ako.
Mabuho at mabala. Ang matinong tao sa presinto natin, Kailangan ko ng humingi ng tulong.
So this is the left hand side, guys. So before we tighten any bolt of the D-boost clamp or cap, we need to put the bushing first and position the clamp before we tighten any bolt, guys. So this is the left hand side, guys. So just same procedure. Remove the old one, put the new one, put silicone spray, put the rubber, so it will go smoothly, guys.
Teka, bakit? Hindi mo naman ako? Para? Para saan? Ano?
So on this side, guys, it's much better if you have one port drive ratchet and one port drive socket 14mm, guys. So it's little bit handy to put back the bolt with these tools, because the ratchet, the electric ratchet won't fit on that area. Also the spanner, it gonna go in, but it's a little bit difficult, guys. So this one is much easier. Oops. It fell off, guys. Guys, if the hole is misaligned guys, on the cup guys, go to the chassis guys, what you can do is you can use a pry bar. See this pry bar, put it on the hole. There's a hole there guys, there's a hole. See that hole guys, you put your pry bar here and put your sway bar on the body of the sway bar and push it so you can align the bolt of the sway bar cup.
Nilamon na ng pera ang sistema nila. Ang kaligtasan ng mga mamamayan, parang wala na lang halaga sa kanila. Sobrang baluktot na pala ang pag-iisip nila. Kinalimutan na nilang sinumpaan nilang tungkulin sa bayan. Ang laban mo ngayon ay hindi na lang laban sa mga aswang. Palaban mo na rin ang mismong sistema ng kapulisan. Tahimik akong napatingin sa sahig. Buong buhay ko, naniwala ako ang pagiging pulis ay para sa justisya. Pero malinaw na sa akin ngayon na hindi lahat ng may uniforme ay lumalaban para sa tama. May ilan na pinili ang kapangyarihan at ang iba piniling manahimik. Dahil pagod kami ni Marcos sa pagtakas, Nagpahinga muna kami at natulog. Kinagabihan, matapos maghapunan, lumabas ako para magpahangin at magpababa ng kinain. At sumunod si Marco.
Islap ng hangin dito, no? Ang presko. Tsaka talagang amoy na amoy mo yung natural na halimulat ng mga halaman.
Oo nga eh. Kaya gusto ko kapag nagkapamilya ako, sa bukid kami titira. Malayo sa bulog, sa ingay, sa polusyon. Malaki akong makakapaglaro ang mga bata.
Maganda yung plano.
Habang nakatitig sa mayabong na sambong, may nakita kasi ako parang gumalaw ron. Kulay itim. Kaya hindi ko agad nalaman kung ano. Hanggang sa napagod ko sa kanya, nang biglang may lumabas sa mata niya. Isang itim na pusa.
Kung sa alam ko,
Ano ang salam pala? Itabak mo yan. Shoo! Kung kapusa ka!
akala ko lumipas na yung takot mo sa mga pusa, hindi pa rin pala.
Nakita ko ang mga pusa nagtipon sa harap ng bahay. Sa tingin ko, may iba rin sa likod dahil naririnig ko ang ilaw nila mula roon. Simula bata pa lang ako, hindi ko na gusto ang mga pusa. Noong 8 taong gulang kasi ako, nakalmot ako ng isang pusang gala na naligaw sa bakuran namin. Simula noon, hindi na ako naging komportable sa mga yon. May kung anong pwersa, nagtulak sa mga nilalang na yun. Layo. Napatitig ako sa pusang nakaupo sa may pintuan. Pakinig lang ito nakatingin sa bilis na para bang may binabantayan. Hindi ko akalain ang nilalang na matagal ko nang iniiwasan ay sa palang maaaring maging susi namin laban sa mga aswang. Ilang araw ang lumipas. Hindi nagawa ng mga sibaw-pawaan na makapasok sa bakuran ni Nakadarya. Kahit ilang beses.
Okay guys, let's road this vehicle guys. So right now guys, I've been passing on a bumpy road guys, and I cannot feel any vibration on the bottom part of the vehicle guys, but on the upper part of the body guys, on the panel where the top of the shock absorber is sitting, I can feel some vibration there guys. So this vehicle guys require replacement of front shock absorber guys, because as I told you guys while we are doing while I'm filming this video guys, the right hand front shock absorber is weaker compared to the left hand side, so need to replace both front guys. So this is 20 years guys, 20 years old car guys, and the kilometer right now of this vehicle is 347,625 guys. So normally when you hit that amount of kilometer guys, you need to replace the most of the suspension, guys. Some of them including the steering, guys, because right now, guys, I don't have any issue with my steering. Most of the problem is on the front suspension, guys. Front suspension, engine mounts. So in my past video, I replaced the cracked engine mounts on the front part of the engine, guys, so near the grills. So everything working good now, guys. Just the top part of the shock absorber have some kind of knocking, guys. I like a vibration sound. So I will check or find parts on eBay, guys, because most of my parts are coming from eBay. The one that I use here in the bottom part, guys, is coming from eBay Australia, guys. So all including the lower control arm, that's also came from eBay Australia, guys. So everything is doing well, guys. So I think I need to finish this video up there only, guys. So everything is going well right now, guys. No more knocking sound on the bottom part of the vehicle, especially on the front side. Before, you can feel it with your feet. Every time you hit the bump, you can feel the knocking sound, guys. Especially when I haven't replaced yet the lower control arm, guys. It's very terrible, guys. It's like the suspension is going to fall apart, guys. So there's still more project that we need to work on this car, guys, because I don't want to sell this car, guys, because this car is performing well, guys. It doesn't give me any problem, guys. It never give me any breakdown on the road, guys. Even this vehicle is 20 years old, it doesn't give me any problem, guys, because every 5,000 kilometer, guys, I do my regular change oil. I do my general checkup every 20,000 kilometer, guys. So if I said 20,000 kilometer general checkup, guys, it means I'm replacing all the fluid, all the oil, so lubrication and cooling system, guys. So this vehicle really served me well, guys. So Nissan is one of the best vehicle, guys, if you maintain it properly, guys. I don't have any plan to dispose this vehicle, guys, because I love this vehicle, guys. Because even if it is a small car, guys, this vehicle is 4x4, guys. So Nissan X-Trail 2000, no, not 2000, yeah, 2006 year model, guys. So I think I need to end up our video here, guys. So what's up for that replacement of shock absorber, guys? I'll get my part first. So if you're following my channel, guys, from time to time and upload a video regarding my package, guys. So the parcel, most of them are coming from eBay. I'm ordering my parts and tools in eBay, guys. Once I get the parts, guys, I will make the video for another opening of parcel, guys. Then after that, we will schedule the repair of the front shock absorber, guys. Okay, guys, I think I need to end up this video, guys, because it's a little bit longer, guys. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, please press the subscribe button, please press the like button, please press the notification bell, so you will be notified every time I do a video, guys. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Goodbye, paalam, ciao.